Heavy rain accompanied by strong winds hit the region of Rio Preto and nearby cities, including Barrinha, Matão, São João Sertãozinho, Araraquara, and Jaboticabal on Saturday. The extreme weather struck suddenly in the afternoon, darkening the sky within minutes as intense rain poured over several areas of the city. In Ribeirão Preto, the storm caused a tent to collapse during a beach tennis tournament in the Bomfim Paulista district. Several people were reportedly injured and received assistance from emergency teams. The city government stated that the event had all the required permits and that it is monitoring the situation closely. Meanwhile, in Sertãozinho, a large tree fell on a soccer field in the São João neighborhood, crushing vehicles and knocking down a power pole, though no casualties were reported. In Matão, the roof of a health post in Jardim Paraíso was torn off by strong winds. Local authorities issued an orange alert for heavy rain, lightning, and strong gusts through the night, urging residents to remain.